Hi there, it's Dr. Judith Briles, your book shepherd. And in our book publishing tips for you, that one ties into the noodle of getting going, maybe starting an outline for your book. How many of you used Amazon? I bet most of you do. Have you ever looked, when you're looking on a detail, and it's called the details page, for any book inside? Most of them have the look inside or search inside feature in the book. Now, why don't you go to a comparable book, a best-selling book in your area, and take a peek at how the look inside feature is laid out. Usually it has a table of contents, or now we call it a contents page. Take a look. Does any of that match what you're thinking about including in your book? Now, we're not talking about doing a copy-paste. We're looking for noodling. Is there something maybe you hadn't thought about to include? Or something you're thinking, that seems so old. Everyone has it. Maybe I need something with a unique twist. The search inside feature is very, very helpful on Amazon to authors to look for. And I also would read the back cover to look for, okay, what kind of bullets are popping at me? Do they speak to me in what I'm writing about? Or is there a variation of that? I can't tell you how many times I've watched movies or even a TV show, and there's a line in it that pops out and say, wait a sec, I need to include something like that. And then I end up writing an entire chapter, maybe on 8 words that I heard that became the golden egg and a cosmic goose. I'm Judith Briles. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, My Book Shepherd. Make sure you subscribe to my newsletter, paper.li/Judith Briles, and listen to my podcast, Author You, Your Guide to Book Publishing. It's available. Just click right here on my YouTube channel.